Харесаха и варените картофи. Сега едем вторачения варени картофи. Вече е залеза. The sunset. With sailing. With no wind. But it's good that we don't have wind and we can see the sunset. If we have the wind, we will be in Finisterre in 5 minutes and we will miss the sunset. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Peaceful. Разни малки лодки подминават. Те се възхитяват, че облаците са розове. Не знам дали ще се види на видеото. И плаваме под ветрила, ако плаваме изобщо. Придвижваме се и слънцето залязва. И посрещаме нощта в морето. Надяваме се, че като отидем там някой ще ни помогне, като паркираме лодката. Скри се слънцето. Цветовете се променят. No wind. Sail is flapping. But it's beautiful.
Just give me the bowl, the thing. I put it here. The thing goes
Here to start the motor.
up and press.
Yes. Good.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to take the sail down.
And
Do you know?
whole thing. Oh.
Do you want to? But wait that just
Oh,
for the
okay,
waves. Or you can put gas and we can go with sail and with motor sail, it's called.
Go front.
Yeah, front. Good.
How about this flag?
We can try a little bit to go a little bit with sail and later we start the motoring. It's like cheating, but who cares? Now the people from the marina will think, oh, these guys are with sailing very, very fast. But we're like the Camino people that's taking the bus. Doing the same.
Yes, yes.
All the time when we start the engine, we have to check here the exhaust. If it's making bubbles, this means water is getting out, it's cooling the engine.
So it's good.
It's good. And if you see there,
Oh,
guys,
that
it's the White House, yeah, on the end. Yeah. You can clip for security again. Because it's nice, it's with the sunset and with you.
And
It will start falling down.
okay.
Just
Slowly.
it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good now. You can come because one boat is coming and maybe it will make waves. I don't know.
Okay, I'll come back
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Came back and I will connect it.